Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today, I am going to show you how to block any website on your Android device using the Chrome browser. Whether you are looking to block distracting sites, set up parental controls, or just avoid the temptation of online shopping, we've all been there. This method will have you covered. Oh, and this works on the browsers too. But since Chrome's the superstar of Android browsing, we are using it for this tutorial. Let us dive in. Section 1. Setting up NextDNS. Step 1 is heading over to a website called NextDNS.io. Don't worry, I will leave a link in the description for you. Once you are there, create an account. It is completely free and super quick. Once logged in, go to the Deny List section by sliding the tab to the left. Think of the denied list as your browser's naughty list. This is where you will add all the websites you want to block. It is like digital discipline, but way easier than staying off your phone yourself. Type in the website URL you want to block. For example, let's block a website now. Before I do, notice that I can still access it. Demonstrates by refreshing the site in Chrome. Before I do, notice that I can still access it. But once we block it, things change. Watch this. Add the website to the denied list and hit enter. Section 2. Configuring private DNS on your phone. Next, head to your phone settings and search for private DNS. Here's what to do. Select private DNS provider hostname. Paste the DNS address you got from the NextDNS website. Tap Save. It is like adding a secret handshake to your browser, except this one says, "No entry for you to block websites." Now, let us test it. If I refresh the website we just blocked, boom, it says, "This site can't be reached." And just to confirm, you will see a message saying, "This device is using NextDNS." Mission accomplished. And that's it. Easy, right? With this setup, you can block any website on Chrome or any browser, giving you full control over your browsing experience. If this video helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Got questions or other cool tricks? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching Wireless Solutions, and I will see you in the next one. Stay productive, stay focused, and maybe even stay off those shopping sites. Your wallet will thank you. Bye for now.